Have you ever thought about what is in your lipstick or your lip gloss that we put on our lips multiple times a day? Lots of chemicals and ingredients that are disrupting our hormones, and then it's just causing cancer and not really good for us. So I thought about that, and I thought I would like to find a company that makes safer beauty and skincare products. And I found it in Beauty Counter. And this company has made it their goal to put safer skincare and beauty products in the hands of everyone. So I would like to help do that. And there's a full line of everything from different skincare lines to sunscreen, tinted sunscreen. We have shampoos, lotions. You know, everything you put on your skin, it goes into your body. So I just decided that as a daughter of a mother who had cancer twice and a father who died of cancer, I would like to avoid that if I can. So my goal is anything I put on my body and what I put in my body, I'm trying to have it be safe. And I found it in Beauty Counter. So I would like to invite you to check out these products on June 21st. It's Friday, June 21st. Drop in anytime from 3 to 7 and learn more about our products. Try them out, get samples, and see what we're all about.